Struggling to edit custom fields in Pipedrive? Stop wasting time clicking around. I'll show you exactly where to go and what to change. No more hunting through confusing menus or guessing which setting does what. By the time we're done here, you'll be able to find and update any custom field in your entire system in under 5 minutes. First, we'll access the Data Fields page. That's the nerve center for everything custom in Pipedrive. Then I'll walk you through selecting the right category, finding your specific field, and making your edits. We'll cover renaming, repositioning, and even tweaking the visibility settings. All right, let's start. Open up your Pipedrive account. You're probably already there. Now, look in the very top right corner of your screen. See your profile icon? That little circle with your picture or initials? Click on it. A drop-down menu appears. From that menu, select Personal Preferences. This opens up your account settings. Over on the left side of this new page, under the section that says Company Overview, you'll see an option called Data Fields. Click on that. This is the master control panel for every field in your system. Give it a second to load. The Data Fields page can take a moment to pull everything together, especially if you have a lot of custom fields. Now, look at the top of this page. You'll see a row of tabs or categories. The options are Lead, Deal, Person, Organization, Product, and Project. Click the category that holds the custom field you want to change. If you added it to your deal pipeline, click Deal. If it's for your contacts, click Person. Choose carefully because each category has its own set of fields. Scroll down through the list until you find the specific custom field you want to edit. It might be labeled something like Customer Priority or Contract Type. Once you've found it, look over to the far right of that field's row. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. That's the Action menu. Click those 3 dots. A small menu pops up. Select Edit from that menu. A new window will open. This is the Edit field window. It might take a moment to fully appear. Here we go. The first thing you can change is the field name. Maybe you originally called it Client Status, but now you want to call it Relationship Stage. Just click into that text box and type your new name. Keep it clear and specific so your team knows exactly what information goes there. Next is the Field Group option. This lets you organize your fields into logical groups on the deal or contact card. Click the dropdown and pick a group that makes sense. If you're renaming a field about lead source, putting it in a group called Contact Info might be weird. Put it where people would naturally look for it. Scroll down a little and you'll find the field description. This is incredibly helpful. Write a short sentence that explains what this field is for. Something like, use this field to track which marketing campaign brought in the lead. This tiny note saves your team so much confusion later. Now, pay attention to this next part. You'll see a section called Settings. This is where things get specific. Depending on the type of field you chose originally, you might see options to add drop-down options, change the number format, or set a date range. Take a moment to tweak these if needed. For example, if it's a drop-down list, you can add or remove options right here. Below that, you'll see visibility settings. This is one of the most powerful features. You can control who sees this field. You can make it visible to everyone or restrict it to only admins. If you have sensitive fields, like a deal's profit margin, this is where you lock it down. And just under that are the quality rules. You can require this field to be filled in before a deal moves to the next stage. Or you can set it to show a warning if the value looks unusual. This keeps your data clean and your pipeline accurate. Take a final look at everything. Review your changes. Check the name, the group, the description, and all the settings. When you're satisfied, click the blue Save button at the bottom of the window. That's it. You've just edited a custom field in Pipedrive. Next time you need to change one, you'll know exactly where to go. No more wandering through menus. Just profile icon, personal preferences, data fields, and you're in control.